Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Microsoft account is ready and your laptop is updated. Sign in at Account. Microsoft. Com and enable two-step verification if prompted. This prevents access issues later. Once done, check Windows Update and open Microsoft Store to install pending updates so the app behaves predictably. Make sure you have your game passcode, redemption email, or active subscription information at hand, because you'll need it in the next steps. To link the pass to your profile, now redeem your pass and link it to the account you prepared. Open Microsoft Store, confirm you're signed in to the same account, then select the menu and choose Redeem a Code or visit the Xbox Game Pass page. Type the code exactly as shown, then follow prompts to confirm subscription period and billing settings. Once accepted, the Game Pass will attach to your profile. Make sure to review device permissions and app downloads so your laptop can access the catalog immediately. Finish by installing games and verifying access on your laptop. Open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and pick titles from the Game Pass library. Select Install and choose your drive. If something goes wrong, sign out and sign back in, run WS Reset to clear the store cache, and restart the Xbox app. These quick actions often resolve license or download issues. If problems persist, check internet connection, available disk space, and Windows updates. Then note any error codes before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.